Hello social media, this is a quick video to come tell you about the wonders again about our NutriBurst. Our NutriBurst, I have been using this for 1 year, the whole entire 2015. I've been using this product and it's wonderful. See how good it makes your face look. Do I look 45 years old? No. Okay, this NutriBurst is wonderful. It's packed with over 72 minerals and vitamins. You have to get this. It's great for energy. It's great for the cold and flu season. It's good for so many different things. You can throw all those over-the-counter vitamin bottles away. This is 98% absorption. You have to have this for your family. Everybody in the family can take this in the morning. You can take it even at night. I take a sip every time I feel the need for energy. The NutriBurst is a wonderful product. Total Life Changes is a wonderful company. This is the right time to get to know Total Life Changes. Okay, well, happy holidays from Keisha, Resolution Queen. I wish all of you guys a wonderful 2016. Woohoo! Bye-bye.